When people hear about a gaming PC in a small box, many doubt if it can really deliver the same experience as a full-size desktop. The ROG NUC 2025 is built to challenge that idea. It is compact, portable, and yet it promises desktop-level performance. Let's begin with the most important part for gamers, the actual gaming experience. Playing the latest AAA titles on the ROG NUC 2025 feels almost like playing on a full tower setup. Frame rates stay high and stable, even when settings are pushed. Two Ultra games like Cyberpunk, Starfield, and other graphics-heavy titles run smooth, thanks to the new RTX 50 series GPU inside. Even in 4K, the system holds up well with strong performance. Ray tracing works beautifully, giving more realistic visuals without noticeable drops in smoothness. What makes the gaming experience even better is the way the cooling system handles long sessions. Even when playing for hours, the performance stays consistent. Thermal throttling is almost non-existent, so you don't get those random frame drops. The fans do get loud under load, but not uncomfortably so. For most players using headphones, the noise isn't distracting. If you're into competitive gaming, the ROG NUC 2025 delivers. Titles like Valorant, Apex Legends, and CS to hit very high frame rates with low latency. That makes it perfect for fast-paced action where every millisecond counts. Combined with support for high refresh rate monitors, this tiny machine turns into a competitive powerhouse. Creative professionals will also enjoy using it. Rendering videos, working with 3D models, or editing large files is smooth and efficient. Tasks that usually take a long time on regular laptops are completed much faster here. The combination of the new Intel Core Ultra processors and NVIDIA RTX graphics makes it a reliable tool for both gaming and work. The build and design of the ROG NUC 2025 are one of its biggest surprises. It looks minimal and stylish, but inside, it packs incredible hardware. The compact box design makes it easy to carry or place on any desk. Despite being small, it doesn't feel fragile. The construction is solid with premium materials. The fit and finish reflect the quality you expect from ROG. The cooling design inside is impressive too. The airflow is smartly managed so the internal parts stay cool even under heavy stress. It shows how much thought went into fitting high-end parts into such a small form factor without overheating. The display experience depends on the monitor you connect. But the ROG NUC 2025 supports 4K and even 8K outputs. It can handle multiple monitors at once, making it great for gaming, streaming, and productivity setups. Pairing it with a high refresh rate screen shows how capable the hardware really is. Performance outside of gaming is just as strong. Every day, tasks like browsing, video calls, or streaming feel instant. The system boots up quickly and apps open without delay. For multitasking, it performs without slowing down. Even when switching between heavy workloads, the software experience is polished. With Windows 11 and ROG's Armoury Crate, you get detailed control over performance, fan speeds, and lighting. You can easily switch between gaming mode, performance mode, or silent mode depending on what you're doing. Armoury Crate also makes it simple to monitor temperatures and usage in real time. Connectivity is another strength. The ROG NUC 2025 comes with plenty of ports, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, and support for the latest Wi-Fi 7. This makes it flexible whether you're connecting external drives, VR headsets, or multiple displays. You don't feel limited like on some smaller systems. Storage and memory are upgradable, which is great for future-proofing. You can add more RAM or swap in larger SSDs without too much trouble. This ensures the device stays relevant for years without needing a full replacement. In terms of audio, experience depends mostly on your setup. The NUC doesn't have built-in large speakers, but with the right external audio system or gaming headset, the sound experience is fantastic. The high-quality audio output and support for immersive formats, like Dolby Atmos, enhance both gaming and entertainment. One area that stands out is efficiency. Compared to full-tower gaming PCs, the ROG NUC 2025 consumes less power while delivering similar performance. This not only saves on electricity, but also helps keep heat. Output manageable. Price will play a big role in how people view this device. The ROG NUC 2025 is not cheap, but considering it packs top-end CPU and GPU options into a small, portable body, it delivers strong value. For gamers who want both performance and space-saving design, it's worth the investment. For creative users who also need a machine that can render, edit, and handle demanding tasks, price makes sense too. Of course, there are pros and cons. The pros include excellent gaming performance, its compact design, powerful cooling, upgradable components, and strong connectivity. The cons are mainly the loud fans under load, the premium price, the fact that built-in speakers are not as strong, so external audio is a must. The final verdict is that the ROG NUC 2025 proves size doesn't limit power. It delivers a true desktop-level gaming experience in a fraction of the space. Whether you are a gamer looking for a compact powerhouse or a professional needing both performance and portability, this device stands out as one of the most impressive gaming PCs in its class. This is TapTech, where we bring you clear and honest reviews in simple words. Thanks for watching. And make sure to stick around for more straight-to-the-point tech reviews.